So funny story before I begin this video. This is actually the second time I've recorded this entire video, and yeah, it was my mistake, to say the least. So I was going through my folder and trying to get to my video, and I thought that I had duplicated my edited videos folder, so I started deleting and I was like, wait, no, that's not right. I probably shouldn't delete that in case that's the real thing, right? Because that has all my videos and stuff on it. So I canceled it about halfway through, but then I couldn't find any of the video clips for this video that I recorded with Isaac. So in short, I'm having to re-record this whole video, and I lost all the files from my other edited videos. Only one of the videos from when me and Isaac recorded survived, and that sucks. So this is actually the second time I'm recording this, is what I'm saying. So yeah, welcome to CIR Inventions. I'm Callum, and today we're doing a tech news over the Galaxy Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is the newest phone that Samsung has released, and it will be releasing on April 26th, so this Friday actually. The Galaxy Fold is also the first ever foldable phone to ever hit the market as far as I know, and I know other companies are working on it, like Huawei is working on their foldable phone right now, but Samsung is the first one to have ever actually released it. Let's go over some of the basic specs of the phone. Oh, and if you wanted to find out any of this info, I will leave a link to the Samsung website specifically to the Fold, but also to the rest of the website in the description below. The Samsung Fold comes with 12 GB of RAM and a max base storage of 512 GB, which we can assume can be upgradable to 1 TB just like it was in the Note 9. The Galaxy Fold actually comes with 3 different screens, 2 for when in tablet mode when you unfold it, and 1 on the back for when you're in phone mode. It's kind of small and much smaller than the other 2 screens, and I personally think it looks kind of dumb. But that's my own opinion, and we'll get to opinions more later. The Note Fold has 6 cameras, 3 on the back for when you're in phone mode, 1 selfie camera, and 2 dual cameras on the front of the phone when in tablet mode. The tablet screen is 7.3 inches, while the phone screen on the back is 4.6 inches. The camera is powerful enough to record 4K video and shoot slow-mo at 960 FPS, which is extremely slow and very good for a slow-mo camera, especially on a phone. The Galaxy Fold also comes with 2 batteries inside the phone, and these batteries can actually charge each other to prevent overcharging when you have it plugged in for a long time. And the other thing, this actually comes from the S10, is power sharing, where you can put a phone on top of another phone and it'll charge both of the phones to about the same. And you can charge your Galaxy Buds and I believe some other Samsung products with this power sharing. But yes, it carries over from the S10 to the Galaxy Fold, which is awesome because it's a great feature. The Galaxy Fold is also very customizable, as you can change the color of the body and the color of the hinge. So if I wanted to have a Longhorn phone, go Texas by the way, I would make my hinge white and my body burnt orange, and boom, you have a Longhorn phone. There's also your basic colors just like silver and black, which I would recommend more than anything else because you can get a case for any of the other colors that you might want, and you can switch out your case, but you cannot switch out the body of your phone. Even with all the great features of the Galaxy S Fold, there are many flaws, and many beta testers have noticed that their phones are breaking within their first day of use. Some phones are breaking just because of damage or dropping it or something, but a lot of phone screens are breaking because people are trying to take off this protective seal on the edge, and Marques Brownlee made a really good video over this that I'm going to link in the description because I think it's really good, and I might even put an info card somewhere. I'm not sure where that is on this screen, but you'll see it. So if you manage to get your hands on a Galaxy Fold, don't peel off that screen because that is a special protective layer that Samsung has started to write on the boxes now. You should not peel off, or else your screen will slowly fade to black or break instantly like it did on Marques's phone. The other major flaw of the phone, and Isaac emphasized this in the clips that got deleted, it's very expensive. You think the iPhone X was expensive at $1,000? Well, a Fold is $2,000. $1,980 plus tax is going to be greater than $2,000, which is just crazy. You could buy some really good laptops, you can buy really good desktops, you can buy so much stuff with $2,000, but you're going to spend it on a phone that's obviously faulty? No, that's dumb. But I can see why the Fold is a very high price because it is new technology, and I think the demand is going to be pretty high, or at least it is right now. So while the Galaxy Fold has many flaws, I would like to share my personal things that I think they can improve with the Galaxy Fold. 1, push the S10 first. The S10 just came out, like not even that long ago. I'm not exactly sure, but it hasn't been more than 6 months at most. Push that first. Learn from it, learn its flaws, learn what can be improved, and then move on to the Galaxy Fold, start pushing that. And the second thing is, if you can lower the price for any reason, please do so. Nobody's gonna buy a $2,000 phone. And a third flaw that's only like sort of a semi-flaw is develop it more. While some people argue that Samsung has been developing the Samsung Galaxy Fold for like 8 years now, it's not ready yet. It's not. If you still have to have a protective seal that people think they have to peel off, no, that's not a good thing. I feel like the Fold should have been perfected and made really good before they released it. Because if you release it too early, it's not going to be good, and people who pay $2,000 have a broken phone in the first day. So yeah, that's the Galaxy Fold. This is our second ever tech news, and I hope you guys liked it. If you would like to see more, comment that below, leave a like, comment, I already said that, subscribe, please. We're almost at 200 subs, and I have a special video for that. And yeah, I'm Callum from CIR Inventions, and I will see you in the next video.